Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today we're talking about something that's probably on a lot of your minds: how to make money online and how to do it fast. Let's be real, who wouldn't want to earn some extra cash, right? Maybe you've got a sudden expense or you're saving up for something big. Whatever it is, we're going to dive into some strategies that can help you start generating income online, literally within a single day. Now, I'm not promising you'll be retiring tomorrow, although that would be nice, wouldn't it? But what I can promise you is that by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of some legitimate methods to start earning money online quickly. We're not talking about get-rich-quick schemes here, but rather practical, actionable steps that you can implement right away. This is part one of a multi-part series, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on the rest of the strategies. Let's get started. Alright, so you're ready to start making money online. Awesome! The first thing you need to figure out is where you're going to set up shop. Because just like in the real world, location is key. Think of it this way. You wouldn't open a surf shop in the middle of the desert, would you? The same logic applies online. You need to find a platform that aligns with what you're offering and where your potential customers are hanging out. Now, you might be thinking, Graham, there are a million different platforms out there. How do I choose? Don't worry, I've got you covered. First things first, consider your skills and what you're good at. Are you a wordsmith? Maybe freelance writing on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr is your jam. More of a people person? Customer service gigs on sites like Amazon Mechanical Turk could be a great fit. Next, think about your target audience. Who are you trying to reach? If you're targeting a younger demographic, platforms like TikTok or Instagram might be where it's at. More interested in professionals? LinkedIn is your best bet. The key is to do your research and figure out which platform will give you the best chance of success. Remember, you don't have to limit yourself to just one platform either. Experiment with a few different ones and see what works best for you. The beauty of the online world is that you have the flexibility to pivot and adapt as needed. Just like building a real business, it takes some trial and error to find your groove. One last thing, don't underestimate the power of niche platforms. There are websites and apps out there for practically every interest and hobby imaginable. So, if you've got a unique skill set or passion, there's a good chance there's a platform out there for you. Don't be afraid to get specific. Let's talk about one of the most popular and accessible ways to make money online quickly is freelancing. Now, when I say freelancing, I'm talking about offering your skills and services to clients on a project-by-project basis. The beauty of freelancing is that you can often find gigs that can be completed within a day or two, making it perfect for those looking for quick earnings. But what kind of services can you offer as a freelancer, you ask? Well, the possibilities are pretty much endless. Are you a whiz with words? Offer your writing, editing, or proofreading services. Got an eye for design? Graphic design, web design, and logo design are always in high demand. Tech-savvy, web development, coding, and software testing are great options. And the best part, you don't need a fancy degree or years of experience to get started. While having some experience under your belt definitely helps, many clients on freelancing platforms are simply looking for someone who can get the job done, regardless of their background. So, where do you find these freelance gigs? Well, there are tons of websites and platforms dedicated to connecting freelancers with clients. Some of the most popular ones include Upwork, Fiverr, freelancer.com, and Guru. These platforms make it incredibly easy to create a profile, showcase your skills, and start bidding on projects that interest you. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is it really that easy? Well, like anything worth having, it takes effort and dedication to succeed as a freelancer. You need to be willing to put yourself out there, market your services effectively, and deliver high-quality work to your clients. But trust me, the rewards can be well worth it. Freelancing offers a level of flexibility and autonomy that you won't find in a traditional 9-to-5 job. You get to be your own boss, set your own hours, and work from wherever you want. Plus, there's no limit to how much you can earn. The more you hustle, the more potential you have to make serious bank. Chapter 3. From Passion to Profit, Selling Products and Services Online. Have you ever thought about turning your passion into a side hustle, or even a full-blown business? Well, thanks to the power of the internet, it's never been easier to sell products and services online and start generating income. Now, when I say products, I'm not just talking about physical goods, although that's definitely an option. You could sell handmade crafts on Etsy, vintage clothing on Depop, or even dropship products from your own website. The possibilities are endless. But it doesn't stop there. You can also sell digital products like online courses, ebooks, or printables. These can be incredibly lucrative as you create them once and can sell them over and over again without any additional overhead. And let's not forget about services. If you have a skill that others are willing to pay for, there's a good chance you can sell it online. Whether it's virtual assistant services, social media management, or online tutoring, there's a market for everything. One of the best things about selling products and services online is that you have complete control over your pricing and your brand. You get to decide how much you want to charge and how you want to present yourself to the world. Of course, starting an online business does require some upfront work. You'll need to create a website or online store, market your products or services, and handle customer service. But the good news is that there are tons of resources available to help you every step of the way. From website builders to payment processors, there's a tool for everything. Chapter 4. Surveys that pay, turning your opinions into cash. Okay, so you're probably thinking, Graham, there's no way I can make real money just by taking surveys. And you know what? You're not entirely wrong. While online surveys won't make you rich overnight, they can be a legitimate way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Here's how it works. Companies are constantly looking for consumer feedback to improve their products and services. And they're willing to pay you for your opinions. Survey websites act as the middleman, connecting you with these companies and paying you for each survey you complete. Now, I'm not going to lie, most surveys won't pay a ton of money. You might earn a few cents here and there, or maybe $1 or $2 for longer surveys. But hey, every little bit counts, right? The key to maximizing your earnings with online surveys is to sign up for multiple reputable survey websites. Some of the most popular ones include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, and Vindale Research. Each website has its own payout threshold and reward system, so it's worth experimenting with a few to see which ones you prefer. Another tip is to be honest and thoughtful with your answers. Survey companies are looking for genuine feedback, so don't just rush through the surveys to get to the reward. Take your time, read the questions carefully, and provide detailed answers. And here's a bonus tip. Look for surveys that offer higher payouts or bonuses for completing a certain number of surveys. Some websites even offer sweepstakes entries or other incentives for being an active member. While online surveys might not be the most lucrative way to make money online, they can be a fun and easy way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Plus, who doesn't love sharing their opinions and getting paid for it? Chapter 5. Affiliate Marketing. Earn while you learn. Let's talk about affiliate marketing, one of the most powerful ways to earn passive income online. Now, I know what you're thinking, Graham. What in the world is affiliate marketing? Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. In a nutshell, affiliate marketing is all about promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for every sale you generate through your unique affiliate link. Think of it like being a digital salesperson, but without the pressure of cold calling or door-to-door sales. Here's how it works. You find a company or product that you love and that you think your audience would be interested in. You then sign up for their affiliate program, which gives you a unique affiliate link to share. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own products or services. You're simply leveraging your existing audience and influence to promote products that you believe in. Now, you might be wondering, what kind of products can I promote as an affiliate? The answer is pretty much anything, from physical products to digital courses, software subscriptions to travel deals. There's an affiliate program out there for almost every niche imaginable. One of the best ways to find affiliate programs is to look for companies that you already use and love. Many companies have an affiliate program link in their website footer, or you can simply do a Google search for company name affiliate program. Once you've found a few affiliate programs that you're interested in, it's time to start promoting your links. You can share them on your website or blog, social media, email list, or even in YouTube video descriptions. The key to success with affiliate marketing is to be authentic and transparent with your audience. Don't just promote any product that comes your way. Instead, focus on products that you genuinely believe in and that you think would be valuable to your audience. Your journey to online income starts now. So there you have it, guys. We've covered 5 different ways that you can start earning money online in just one day. Remember, the key is to take action. Don't let this information go to waste. Choose 1 or 2 methods that resonate with you and start exploring them further. The online world is full of opportunities, and with a little bit of effort and dedication, you can achieve your financial goals. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn from your mistakes, and never give up on your dreams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more money-making tips and tricks, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on part 2 of this series. Until next time, keep hustling and stay focused.